In this video, I want to show you a couple of pretty cool things you can do specifically with Pixelfy to track Amazon.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
If you click on create tracking link, you see that it's a little confusing. There's like different links you can do. So I'll actually show you some cool links you can create. So look, this Supreme 2.0 URL, click that. And we'll see that it's going to give us a few options. First of all, you can enter your own Amazon affiliate ID. So if somebody promotes you, you can collect the Amazon affiliate commission for yourself and make money if you sell that product too, right? So you can do it both ways. So the link will incorporate your affiliate ID and you can enter your ASIN right into it as well. So and you can enter the keyword that you want to target. So if I want to target keywords like fundraising, I would put it here like this and the URL would have it. So this is something that it gives you. This is just basically a more powerful way to create Amazon promotion links that actually can make you more money if your Amazon affiliate ID is used. Or if you use an influencer and that influencer has an Amazon account, then you can incentivize them because, hey, they can actually make more money if they use their Amazon affiliate ID right here. So that's something you can do. Now, another option you have is if I say create tracking link again, the other option is URL Rotator. So for example, let's say you give it to an influencer and they drive a lot of traffic. Well, if it looks like they're using one keyword to promote that product, one search keyword that's entered into URL, maybe that's not good. So a better way is to give it like a few different keywords. So if you use that example of the fundraising book, one keyword can be fundraising, another keyword can be fundraising ideas, another keyword can be fundraising ideas for nonprofit or nonprofit fundraising. So that way it looks more natural when it looks like people are coming from different searches to that page. So you see this one is basically generate a unique link that allows you to route visitors to different landing pages. So it can be the same product just with different URLs and the promotion is going to look more natural. So there's some really cool things you can do by playing around with the types of URLs that you get here. But these are the cool ones that I suggest you use in your campaigns.